Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. I'm not going to be doing a makeup video. I did this on Snap though, so I'm going to be doing a lot of that, so make sure to add me on Snapchat. But today I want to talk about something that I don't think a lot of people on YouTube have talked about before. So I want to talk about shoes. Not just any type of shoes. So it was kind of hard for me growing up to find like shoes to fit me, because number one, I had wide feet, and number two, I wear like a big size. So I know there's a lot of girls out there that feel like I can't find, you know, these bomb shoes that these other girls be wearing in my size or whatever. So I'm here to be somewhat of a fashion guru, but like on a budget. Okay, don't be scared to be on a budget. Like, some of these shoes like I had like throughout college, because as you know, I just graduated, and some of these shoes I bought after, and it was just like affordable, and like I feel like, why pay, you know, $100 extra for something when I could get the same thing over here? And sometimes I will pay more, like that $100 for something of, you know, better quality. But if it's just like something I'm not gonna wear that much, and I just want to be cute in it like 1 or 2 times, then I'll just like get it, you know, whatever. But just to let you guys know, I'm putting it out there, I wear a size 11. Okay, there's a lot of people that wear that size that are not represented in some stores that a lot of girls shop in. Like I know for me and throughout college, for my friends, like they were able to shop at like Charlotte and like Forever, and like, you know, when they had those like cute little shoes, and you know, you wanted the little, you know, El Cheapo size, El Cheapo like design or whatever. So I am going to be showing you guys where I get my shoes. And for other people who got the same size as me and wear like a size 11, or you got wide feet, like this is where I shop and get like those like somewhat cute shoes from. So one of the stores I want to start with is DSW. So I get a lot of shoes from DSW, and they just so happen to have like size 11s. So I'm going to show you guys a couple shoes that I got from DSW. I don't know if you guys can like see it, but they're just like nude heels. They're like pretty high. I've worn them out, as you can see. I've worn these babies out. They're like my professional shoes. So like if I have an interview, or like if I'm doing something with my sorority and I have to look professional, like those will be the shoes I wear. And if I have like a cute nude outfit, you know, love the nudes, then I would wear those shoes. I get a lot of wedges from there, especially in the summertime, like when Easter rolls around and stuff like that. You want to look cute, but you don't want to like break your ankle. I get shoes like that from there. Another place that I would like to talk about is Lane Bryant. I get mostly like a lot of summer shoes from there, only because Lane Bryant, like, I don't really like some of their winter styles. Like I like when they have like the tall thigh-high boots, because I can't get those anywhere else, because my calves are huge, so I don't get them anywhere else, or at least I haven't really tried, because they have just been like, you know, dedicated to me and my feet. I get a lot of summer shoes from here. So I got these. I don't know if you guys can see them with the little tassels. So those little tassels and little fringes were really popular last summer, and I got this pair, and girl, I wore them out. Okay, like I was wearing these babies all summer. So that is another store where I shop at that has size 11 and have cute styles. I also shop at Aldo. My Aldo shoes are in there right now. They're a little bit beat up, so I didn't want to show y'all them. But I also shop at Aldo, and Aldo is like, I feel like Aldo won't really like break the bank that much. Like I feel like if, you know, you have a little job and you want some cute pair of shoes, like you could definitely like save up and like go to Aldo and get like a nice pair of shoes, you know. But Aldo, I think, is like, those shoes are more for like events, like, you know, like they got a couple like basics, like nudes and blacks and like just regular basic shoes, but I love going to Aldo when I have like an event that I have to like go all out for. That's when I like shopping there, because I feel like I can find exactly what I'm looking for. Like I'll probably go there for like birthday shoes or something, because I love that store. And I also love the accessories. They're bomb. But I want to say my number one like size 11 cute shoe store, y'all gonna laugh. Some of y'all gonna be like, girl, what? My number one shoe store for that is Rainbows. Yes, y'all, Rainbows. Now the thing with Rainbows is that they do have, like, you'll get some shoes for like $40, $30, $50. Like they do got those like prices, but some of these shoes might be like $15, $20, $25. You know, it depends on when you get it, what style you get, and stuff like that. For some reason, these shoes like are comfortable to me. Like, is that weird? Like, they're like a little cheaper than like Aldo, maybe DSW sometimes, but like their shoes, like, actually, like, I can stand up all night in them. And that's crazy because I have really flat feet and I have wide feet, so it's just like, girl, like, you need to put them flats on. But for some reason, like, I've stood all night in a pair of Rainbow shoes, and like my feet, like, you know how your feet hurt because you're just wearing heels, period, but you know, like, it wasn't like crying, like it wasn't like burning, like I was cool, like I was like, you know, I was still cute. So that is my number one store, and y'all better tag Rainbow Shops all up in this video, because listen, the amount of shoes I get from there, like, they need to sponsor this, okay? But I'm going to show you guys some of the shoes I get from there. So the first pair is the shoes I wore on New Year's, and I wore this with a white dress, and that was like the same day, like the first time I did a frontal. Like everything just so happened to work out for New Year's. I mean, minus the party. But I got these shoes, these little red babies. They probably got like salt on them, but let me tell y'all, these shoes are so cute, and they have like cushion right here. So like I was able to wear them the whole night. Like I wore them when I got out the car to go into the place, and then when I got back into the car, I still had my shoes on. Like, guys, come on. The next pair of shoes I got, I needed booties, just because, like, I just needed them. And I love booties, love booties, and I love them in the winter, in the fall, in the spring, minus the summer. It's a little too hot for booties in the summertime, but y'all, I love booties. So I got this pair, and I also got this pair in black, and I stood in my black ones all night at a party in New York City. I stood in my heels all night. Like, sis, I was surprised. Like, the only time I took them off was when I was leaving the club and I had to walk back to my car, but my car was parked like super far, and I didn't feel like walking too slow because it was like freezing outside. So I put my flats back on just to like walk to my car. But I stood in these all night, and I could not believe it. Like, y'all, like, and you cannot lie, these are like low-key cute as hell, and they're like suede. So these are the next pair of shoes that I got, and I also got these in pink. And I got these actually because my Founders Day was coming up, and I didn't want to like get like extra as hell shoes, but I still wanted to wear like all black, so I wanted like shoes that were like my sorority's colors almost. So I got these, and I got these in pink and green. The only thing I don't like about these is like right here, like you could see this, but like when I have the shoe on, you can't see it, but when I'm showing you guys, like, you can see it. And I just don't like that it looks like they kind of just like glued it onto a regular ass shoe, which is kind of like what they did. But the shoe is also green, so like I feel like if you ever wanted to like take this off, or like, I don't know, cut it off or something, like they did a good job with that, like making sure like even if like something happened to the shoe and you have to like alter it completely, like it's still the same color at the bottom. And I think that's like really thoughtful, because you know, these are, I think these are like $35, but I probably got them on sale. So I got these in the pink one. My pink ones actually like toe up because I wore those ones out. So I gotta clean them. But guys, you cannot tell me that these shoes aren't cute. Like, they're so cute. So I also got these from Rainbows, and I think Rainbows is really good like when you're going and you just need like a shoe last minute, because that's why I get mine. I always go shoe shopping last minute. Like, I never go like, you know how people like, I need new sandals for the summer. I never do that. Like, I have to wait until like I have to go to something and I'll be like, damn, I need some pair of sandals. But I got these, and I really just wanted a gray pair of shoes for this one outfit I was wearing. And the heel isn't high only because like they have higher heels for this style, but this strap, it doesn't, I don't care how skinny your foot is, how thick your foot is, how long your foot is, this strap in the front hurts, okay? It hurts. Like, guys, I'm just letting y'all know, I know these heels be looking real cute and our calves be looking real cute when we stand up tall or whatever, but this hurts, sis, this hurts. So I got like a shorter heel because I think that just helps a little bit, but they're still super cute when I wear them. So that's all the shoes that I'm going to show you guys today, and those are like the top like 3 places I think I said that I shop for shoes. If I want some really designer shoes, like some really cute designer shoes, they usually carry a size 11 only because they're bigger brands. But a lot of smaller brands that you want to find shoes in that you don't want to break the bank, like those are my top 3 places, because that's personally where I go to look for my stuff. And I have a lot of other friends that, you know, they have smaller feet than me, so they could go to like Charlotte and like stuff like that. But Charlotte goes up to a size 10 and I cannot even squeeze my foot into a size 10. Like, y'all, I don't got them squeezable feet. Like, you know how some people was a size 8 could fit into like a 7.5. I can't fit into a 10.5. I don't even think they make those because I've never seen one. So that's all I got for today. But if you guys want to see another video like this, let me know. I want to start doing more like fashion things and stuff like that, because my friends are always like, girl, like you always like get cute outfits on the low, and I'm like, cause girl, like shopping on a budget is life. Like, nobody gotta know where you get your stuff from. Like Cardi B said, my shoes could be $300, but this outfit from Fashion Nova. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to a friend who needs it, because listen, there's a lot of people that need it. I actually went to Queen Center Mall, and this girl was like, girl, I can't find shoes in my size nowhere. I said, what size you wear, girl? She said a size 11. I said, girl, me too. She was like, but guess where I got shoes? Rainbows. And I was like, you right. So don't ever look at a store and look from the outside and be like, it's a little ratchet in there, or they look a little cheap. Like, try it out. Like, don't be scared. Like, nobody's gonna judge you, you know what I'm saying? Like, you are the only person that's gonna make yourself uncomfortable. Like, I don't feel uncomfortable walking into Rainbows. Like, where else I'ma shop? It's not like I could go other places that got a size 11, because they don't, for all y'all other brands. So, you know, don't be scared. Like the video, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.